Hey lovebirds! Save the date because something magical is happening at Bonita Ranch on January 7, 2024.
Join us for an exclusive wedding expo here at Bonita Ranch.
Experience enchanting venue tours.
Meet top wedding vendors all under one roof.
Catch a stunning fashion show.
Indulge in delicious bites.
And witness beautiful ceremony designs by I Do Florida Weddings.
You don't want to miss the wedding event of the year. Register at the link below. We are looking forward to you coming out and spending the day with us at this fabulous event, and you will have an opportunity to win some amazing prizes from our top-notch vendors.
See you at Bonita Ranch on January 7th.
And let's make your dream wedding a reality.